Safety! Hey, you can't
Safety!
Hey, you can't go to that tunnel or spawn!
Since when?
You can't go to that tunnel there! How do you get behind us? They're over here!
I said I didn't look in there. Since when? I'll go ask admin. Hey, Poncho, I got a question.
Well, I wouldn't necessarily go past it near that concrete wall.
Okay.
I'm not entirely against it as long as you're not, you know, spawn camping that.
No. I was just going through safety and who I saw. I didn't even look in their spawn. Yeah.
I've seen your channels. Let's start with the L.
Yeah.
You have the Lancer Tactical Mark 18?
Yeah.
Dude, I always watch your videos.
Hell yeah. Thanks for watching.